guys, and welcome to my welcome to my brand new bedroom. So I'm here in it, all finished and complete. I'm so happy it's done. It's taken a while. It's been kind of in the works for the last month, maybe about a month and a half to be honest, but I'm so excited for you all to see it because I know it's obviously very anticipated. If you like it, please give this a like and subscribe down below, and let's get into the video. We're here in the room, which we're going to be doing up. So when Darren first moved in here, we kind of did it up, but not really. Wouldn't that be right?
Yeah, that's a fair point.
We kind of did it up, but like not. We didn't have very much money, so we just did whatever we could at the time. But we're basically.
And now we're loaded.
And now we're balling. No. So we basically just decided that during lockdown, I basically got obsessed and decided that I wanted to do up the room, and so we are starting. So I just want to show you what it looks like beforehand, and just kind of let you know. Maybe the things are changing. Obviously we're still trying to do it on a bit of a budget. So this is the room, and I'm gonna just turn you around and show you everything. Obviously, as you can see, we've kind of already started doing some stuff. I've already taken down some of these. These are just some photos we had up on the wall here. This is like my little plan for what's potentially gonna go there. So we're still going to use the same bed because we still like the bed. It's kind of like this lovely kind of, oh that's really dark, you can't see that, like a grey, just quite a dark grey colour. We're still gonna keep that. We're still going to keep these side tables, but sorry, it's a complete mess, but it is, we're going to change the colour of them. So I'm going to spray paint them. I think the plan is to spray paint them white, and we're actually going to move this bed around to this wall here. It's going to kind of come out this way, like in between those two plugs that Darren's covering. We couldn't find any masking tape because everyone obviously is painting at the moment. And so we're going to move this mirror over to this wall. Unfortunately, at the moment, we're not really going to do too much with this wardrobe. Wardrobe, I hate with a passion. Isn't that right, hon?
Yeah, we hate it in your room.
Yeah, so I hate with a passion, but at the moment, we're not going to do anything. I might try see if there's anything I can do to just make it look a little bit nicer, or just, at the moment, we just have, I think we kind of don't have enough hanging space. It'd be nice to have a bit more hanging space, but at the moment, it just is what it is. Obviously, this is our mirror. It's sunny, so I'm in my shorts. Yeah, I'm not sure if I want to use this. Like, I still really like this ladder, but what we're going to do with it, I'm not too sure. But yeah, so let me go back so you can see the whole thing. So that's kind of just it. It's fairly blind. Probably going to keep that light. Probably going to keep the lampshade because it's quite nice and kind of goes with the vibe I'm thinking for how we're going to change it to. So that's it. Okay, so as you can see, it's just all been cleared out. Everything out, obviously, except the things that are just too much effort, like the cupboards and the bed. We're still sleeping here tonight, so I've left the bedding and everything on. But tomorrow I'll like take it all out, and I'm gonna hopefully try find a cover for the whole like the bed frame. But at the moment I don't have one, but maybe just a little one that I can like move it around as I'm painting. I haven't actually taped up the skirting boards just because they're such a state, and I'd actually think I'd like to change them to a white anyway, so I'm gonna just leave them, and if stuff gets on them, it's kind of white. So then in all the shops, I assume everyone's probably doing their painting at the moment, so there was literally no masking tape anywhere. So we've just found this bright green electrical tape, which hopefully is going to do the job. So we just put it like there. There's only a few spots that like need it, like here in the windows, and we only have like the light switch and then like one other plug there. So there's not too many spots that need it. So we're just kind of hoping that that will do the job, and that there'll be enough, and it will just be fine, hopefully. Currently they're just plain white, so we're changing to a color called Abstract, which is like a greyish, like a grey beige. That's kind of the color I'm going for in the room. So today's like, oof, what date is it? It's either the 2nd, maybe the 3rd, maybe the 3rd. I think it's the 3rd of May. 3rd, maybe the 4th even. But it's May bank holiday, it's Monday. I know it's Monday bank holiday, so whatever date that was, that's what date it is today. I've ordered a few things already, but they're just gonna take so long to get here. So it could probably be like only June once this is finished, I'd imagine. But I want to get the painting done just like really quickly, just so that if anything did come, like I could kind of get everything else started. It means like I can do something and be like happy and like get a part done. Yeah, so I've ordered some things off Desenio, off a few photos off Snapfish, and some spray paint off an Irish company called Scribes and Vibes and Scribes. I want to spray paint I showed you before, like our side tables. I want to spray paint them white, and I might spray paint a few, like I have some frames that I'm going to be using for some of our prints, and I potentially might spray paint them and change the colours of them. I haven't fully decided about that, but I've just ordered a few different colours and that kind of like go with the whole vibe. But yeah, Darren's already disappeared. He's decided that I'm being mean and making him stay inside when it's sunny outside, which I did not say he had to. It's day official one of doing anything in here, so yeah. I'm excited. Next time you see me, I'll probably be doing some painting in the morning, hopefully, if my paint arrives. Please, please. So the painting is all done. It is about 8 o'clock, so I'm gonna go make some dinner now. It's all finished. Okay, so today I'm doing a few little touch-ups. There's a few areas I got some of the wall paint, like on the roof, or the skirting board paint on the wall. So I'm just going to go around with a little paintbrush and just do all those in, just because I didn't have time before to do that. I don't obviously want to show you anything because it's starting to get there. There's a few areas that still look a mess with the cupboard. I have decided to get some wardrobe, what are they called? Doors, to go over them, because that's just going to make such a difference. Like, it's just going to tidy the whole area up. It's going to be so great. I'm so excited. They're only coming on the 30th of May, so it's still a while away, but most of the other areas are kind of getting there. Like today, the Desenio order is coming, which is going to make a huge difference. I'll put up some of the pictures that are coming. I'm just so excited. So yes, so that's what I'm going to start with now, though, before that comes, and just to get that done. I basically decided today that I was going to do a little bit of sewing. Got my lovely sewing machine here. So this sewing machine is actually only from Aldi. I think it's either Aldi or Lidl, I'm not sure, one of those two. It's about €50. I'm not a pro, I can't do much. I kind of do the odd hem or seam or something like that. But I would actually recommend it if that's what you want it for, like just to do the odd bit now and then. It's actually super handy and really affordable, I should say. But anyway, today I basically had these pillowcases. So these are just white. They're like obviously like the full kind of bed, like a bed pillow. What do you call that? Like a bed pillow? I don't know. And they have this like lovely kind of like texturing, like with the lines on them. I've recently got some new padding, and usually even when I do use this, I'd only use like maybe 2 of them, if that makes sense. Like I have a 4, but I'd only use 2. So I decided to dye one set of them. So I've got 2 like this color, which is this lovely beige that's kind of going with lots of the other colours in the room. And obviously still got that nice stripe in it. But I basically wanted to make them into like I think this is a 50 by 50, like more into like a cushion cover size. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. happy to know it's finally done. Let's go have a look. Hey guys, so I'm just here in the room and I just wanted to walk you through some of the bits and bobs that I did and some of the bits I bought, maybe some of the bits I forgot to put in the last video, my Homer haul. If you haven't seen, also go watch that because it includes where everything's from and a bit more of an in-depth analysis of some of the stuff that I got. But yeah, let me just flip you around and I'll show you some of the bits we did. Okay. So here, there's me. But here is a mirror we got from Ikea ages ago. Actually, it was originally black, but I decided I'm going to spray paint it white. I actually ran out of spray paint, so you can see on like the side, it's like that. Like, it's not thick enough. It needs another coat, but I kind of decided I would just put it up anyway. So we have all these prints here. So most of these prints are from Desenio, or else I made them up and then got the print on Snapfish. So I am enjoying this. I'm not fully sure about the picture of us. So this is a picture from our wedding day, which I absolutely love, but I'm just not sure if I feel like it goes or not. So let me know down below if you think it goes. But yeah, that's there. So this one here, that one, that one, that one, that one are all from Desenio. All the frames of Desenio, and then this one is from I made this one and it's on Snapfish. Got it printed by Snapfish, and this one I also made on and then got it printed on Snapfish. I actually made them on Canva, for anyone who would like to know. Canva is an amazing spot to make those kind of things, and that's obviously just a print from our wedding. So over here we have so I showed this vase in the last one, so I won't talk about that. Then this stool I love so much, and we got it actually as a wedding gift for our wedding from Darren's uncle and aunt, and I just think it's so beautiful. I just love it, and just have that little vase on there. These curtains are just from Ikea. Again, curtain rod, just Ikea. Nothing too exciting. This, I'm not sure how I feel about it in here. I really like it, but I'm not sure if I kind of think I might want like some sort of like pottery or something there instead, but it's there for now anyway. So then obviously over here we've got all these things were in the whole video, so go see about all those. So there are the cushions I made. Again, they're looking pretty pink, but they're actually much more of like a grey browny colour. But anyway, this bedding's actually from the White Company. I got it recently for our 2nd year and wedding anniversary, because that's obviously the cotton year. So I got it for that. Is it worth the money? I'm not sure. It is quite expensive, so I'm not sure if it is. So this is like our little picture ledge kind of thing. I keep changing around. I'm not sure if I like it or not. Sometimes I'm like, oh yes, I love it, and then sometimes I just change my mind and I don't think I do. Again, that's another Desenio print. That's another print I made, and this actually here is the first rose that Darren ever gave me, and I kept it and dried it. But yeah. So here I'm actually loving this little area. I think it's so pretty. Oh yeah, these are 2 things that came in the Ikea order that you didn't see in the last one. So this is just a lovely like sheepskin rug. It's beautiful, and with this gorgeous little basket. I just have like a little blanket basket there. So this print is one I got from the night sky, and I got it so it has like the thing in here at the beginning. So this is the first day then when Darren and I started dating. I really like it, and I think it looks really nice, like the contrast of it, but I have no other black in this room, and I kind of wanted to keep black out of the room, and so part of me feels like it doesn't go, but I do really like it still, and I think it works. But you tell me what you think down below anyway. And then these are the wardrobe doors that I think just look so nice, and they just tidy up. So obviously we took the thing that was above there down because it just messed it up way too much, and we actually cleared out so many things that we just didn't wear. And I've also included an extra rail in the spare room, and then these are obviously our doors. So I got these ones that kind of have like 3 panels. I just think they look really expensive, even though they're just not at all. And these door handles just look, these doorknobs just look really nice on it, I think. They look really black in this, but they're actually brown. But yeah, last off, and then I just have this little hook with Darren's bags in it. Not Darren's bags, Darren's hats in it. And yeah, it just kind of sits in behind the door. So yeah, that's it. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please obviously give us a like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.